Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically update copyright year on your Wix website. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, the copyright year right here is actually not accurate. Now, what we can do is I can actually head over and click on the STEM mode and turn on developer mode. Now, once we have turned that on, we can see everything right here. So let me just close this up for a bit in order to successfully edit my website. Now let's scroll down and in here you can see the footer. So let's click on this text right here. And then this text, let's name it copyright text. So let's name it like that and then click on open master page. And then we can actually see what it looks like right now. Now what we can do is you can actually just remove everything right here, then put a code in here. Now this code is from online. I will just put the code in the description. And then the footer copyright right here, let's change it into copyright text that we have actually edited out earlier. So let's change it. And then in here, the your company, let's actually remove it. And then let's name it Lemon Squeezy. Now, once you have done that, you can actually just minimize this, then publish this on your website. Now, once we have done that, let's just wait for this to publish. And once it's been published on your website, just view your website as usual. And then from in there, just scroll until you reach the footer, and it will take some time to render the specific footer copyright date, but just refresh your site until it does so. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.